Hi, welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. Now we see the project Semantic Web Service Discovery using Natural Language Technique. Now we move to the abstract. To search through the set of semantic web services to find the match with query users. User do not need to know the semantic language, which make it easy to express the desired semantic web services. Natural language processing help define the context of the web services. To automate the web service discovery through natural language processing technique. In this project, here the users are searching some services through the search engine basics. Here, in this project, we use WordNet to find the synonymal set of the searching key. After the find out the synonymal sets, each other find out to the results, which is based on the number of files is our input. Then searching the keywords, how many times is presented in our web files, and find out the similarity basis. After the similarity basis, we put the ranking of the each resulted data files. Then it will be shown the web pages to the users. That is, the presented description and the URL of the web files are displayed at finally. Now we see the data flow diagram. Here data set are defined as a data files. Number of files are available in the selected folders. Rectangle symbols are indicated as a processing status of the project. Then arrow are indicated as a sequential flow. Here user requests the set of files. Then service readers are reading the files. Using the service readers, our input files are based on the ontology oriented files, that is OWL files are our input. Service readers are extract the content. Then word sense disambiguations is find out related unauthorized data to be removed. Sense matchmaking, which is used to find out the synonymal set, which is based on our searching key. Then apply the Tanimoto for similarity calculations, which is used to find out the ranking. After that, find out the similarity using the Tanimoto, we produce ranked services based on the similarity values. Finally, we display the services which are all presented through our matching our searching key. Now we see the implementation of the semantic web service discovery using natural language processing. Home.java is our basic file. To right click, run the file. Right click and select run file. Now click start to move to the next pages. In these pages we required user services. Searching services are entered in this area, like job. This is a keyword user searching for the related content presented in our data set. User required services are set in. Now set of services. In browsers we select a file. It will be shown the number of files is available on the folder. The display services are read the content of every file. Each file is presented on display services area. Move to the service reader. Service reader extract the content of the presented available on data files. Now we move to the POS tagger. In POS tagging, we apply a post office tagger used to find out the required keywords. it takes little more time to run the project. Now the POS tagging is applying. The POS tagging are used to repeat noun, adjective, then compacted disk of and our related content. It's POS tagging. After applying the POS tagging, the required results are presented bar NNS or NN is a representations of the parts of speech of the related words. Then word sense or extract the words which are presented in new line. Then here we use a word net. What are the related content are presented in user required services, that is occupation, business, line of work, task or related to the keyword job. Then we move to the similarity. Here in the similarity values we are applying a Tanimoto similarity mechanism, which is used to find out the related content or how many related content are possible in our required searching area. Click similarity, which is similarity resulted of every files are available in our selected data set. File 1.out 0.0 is a similarity value. There is no similar content are presented on the file 1. Also file 10, file 11, 12, 13 and etc. files. Remaining files are contained some more related contents of our required services as job. Now we are ranking the services. In this ranking the services, we descending order presently, which is descending order files. Which files are having a lot more words are presented in, that is our primary files. Then related services. In relevant services, we display services. In our required searching keyword, which is possible on these files. Here we presented ranking method. File 5 as a more words is contained in our file 5 contain the most relevant words are. Then file 13 is like compared to minimum files than file 5, which is show the relevant information in which files is having more occurrences. After that, display the service name. Here we display the file name and related web pages. Then the description of the file content are presented here. Graph. In graph, it describes the similarity values occurrence based. File 5 having more values compared to other files presented in our graph, which is based on our Tanimoto algorithm. Finally, we conclude this project has satisfied our user required searching key, which is based on natural language processing. In natural language processing, we use two external content. WordNet are used to find the similarity words in our required searching key. POS tagging are used to find out the parts of speeches presented in our related content. After finally we find out the similarity values applying Tanimoto algorithm. Then finally we show the results which are the related content are presented in our searching based key based searching. Thank you for watching.